I might want to start getting back into barber battling once I go back out there, you know. I want to start getting myself out there again, you know. Put myself on the shelf type of deal, you know.
Yeah, that'd be sick, bro.
And like just coming out here and the people that I met and the things that, you know, like how far we've gotten from the point where we met to where we at and how much work we done put in, like it's honestly a blessing, bro. I can say that, you know. Damn, for the new guys that are very excited to get into the barbershop, bro. For those who do want to get into the barbershop, man, you know, they see the barber game like, damn, this thing is growing. Like, I need to get in there. Now is the time. But that's what I was saying when I had jumped in. So it's always the right time. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's not like, oh, it used to be or it's gonna be. It's always the fucking right time. It's just how far you want to take it. Hair is always gonna grow. You know what I'm saying? So it's always gonna be somebody that's gonna need to clip that shit. And that's that person's job. Come in with the clippers, do the thing and shit. Get it down, you know. Get it down where you're comfortable enough to step the speed up. When you do that, when you get that comfortness of, you know, I feel good. I did a clean ass haircut. I can step, you know, the little speed up, the little step the notch up. Do it. You know, don't feel like you need to race these other barbers and shit trying to beat. They already did what you're going through, you know, at the moment. Practice your cuts, look at your fade game, look at your lines, and master them. So that way you could just speed through it like a master. You know what I'm saying? Look at the sideburns and shit. Look at the beards. Look at everything. Look at the symmetry of that shit, because it's important. You know what I mean? You need to look at the shape of the head and know that it goes with it and it's not sloppy or it's not slanted or it's... Pay attention to your work and your people gonna go and talk about you. Your work is gonna talk about you. Words don't even gotta say nothing about you. Your work is gonna do it.
Words from the wise.